Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ka jing shakri ka jongka. Baden ais ngo bha sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk. Ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop. Kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 pusau.
Ketrat Pulit jong jela Meghalaya kalio kem hadu South Park San Pongon kisna nong khayi Drok hagi Ars Park San Pot ligi case but nilo kata ki Pulit kalio Kurup ru ya Drok bosong do de spa klur tingka. Ya kini lepentip do mindirang ba ka jela ukan rak ke sangma hagi jing kran bekilal pathai khobor hakar pesantrik unai lur arajar phosau. Da ko pentip ru ba ka sarkar kamla shong klikti banyak khun thama persha ejin jelai jong Drok. Ulaya thoru baglarang ka committee blakhle dik additional deputy commissioner hagi district ba pher haga balakin thop lang ikirang ba shnong ba kikin hon ba pher banyak khun thama persha ya Drok.
Yeah, no, I mean, there was no specific discussion as such, but yeah, I can inform all of you that the entire process of cracking down on drug and the entire supply chain and all the usage, the government is very, very serious. And in the last many years, you've seen, as I said, hundreds of crores of drugs has been seized. We have put up labs. We have, picked up many people, and so government is working, and the other departments are working very aggressively to cut down and to really control the situation. So in that particular process, yes, we would like to inform you that under the PITS NDPS, which is the Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act, 2 people were arrested recently, and this is again an example of how the government is leaving no stone unturned to ensure that action is taken and substantial action is taken in this entire war against drugs. Yeah, you're right, and that's the reason why our actions are proven by the fact that 450 arrests have been made and 250 cases are on. And hundreds and hundreds of crores of drugs have been seized. So this is clearly a reflection of the government's seriousness and the action that we are taking. That's number one. Number two, of course, the aspect of drugs and the impact of drugs is very serious. But we also need to realize that it's a matter where we need to work together, all of us. Recently, I have come out with an order of putting up one committee headed by an additional deputy commissioner, and in different cities and towns of the state, different district headquarters, and ADC of that particular district would head the committee, and the different rangbashnongs or development committees or headmans of different localities would be part of this, and different society members will be part of this. The idea is that we need the society to work together if we have to, really handle this entire menace of drugs. So many steps are being taken. The DREAM project that we have started is also showing results at the grassroots level. This step we have taken recently is another clear indication of the government's seriousness. But yes, it's a very complicated problem for us. It goes beyond our borders also, and it's an aspect that is even beyond the country's border. So it's a very complicated, problem in front of us. But as I said, everybody from the government of India to the different state governments to the district administration, we are ensuring that everybody becomes a part of this entire solution to the problem, and we're able to control this menace of drugs.